I don't know why, but I just find the idea of having this on 3 cameras to be really amusing. Hi, I'm Jeff Morrison, and this is the GoPro Media Mod. The Media Mod is a plastic frame that goes around your GoPro. They sell one for the GoPro Hero 9, which is what I reviewed this on. They have one for the 8 as well. It's just a plastic frame, but it has a cold shoe mount on the top, a cold shoe mount on the side, and on the back there are 3 little doors. So there's another microphone input if you want. There's a USB-C and micro HDMI. And then on the top is probably the most important part, which is a microphone. Comes with this little wind blocker. To install your GoPro, you pull down this, and then your GoPro, you actually have to remove this door. So you pull down on that. It's a little tricky. And then this door actually pulls off. So then the whole thing, you just slide in and lock it into place. And that's it. So you still have the power button, the mode button on the side, and the record button on the top. There are 2 main accessories for the Media Mod. The first is, I actually have it, this light, which is quite bright actually for the size of it. Obviously it's a little hard to tell because it's daylight. And if you hit it again, it actually flashes. And an accessory I don't have is actually a flip-up screen, which looks like this. One last thing, on the bottom is actually open, so you can still have access to the built-in mount. GoPro recently started selling a different door, and as you can see, it has a hole in it. This is actually plastic, whereas the main door is a little more solid. It's aluminum, I think. But what this lets you do is attach it, and then you have access to the USB-C port without having to leave the door open, which is fantastic if you want to power it while you're using it, leave it running, and so forth. So I suppose you want to know what it sounds like. So what I'm going to do is, I have the Media Mod installed on my Hero 9, and I will record a clip using that at arm's length. And then what I'm using here is the Rode Wireless Go with the lav mic. So this is what the Hero 9 Media Mod sounds like, and this is what the Rode Wireless Go sounds like. Media Mod, Wireless Go, Media Mod, Wireless Go. This is what the GoPro sounds like just using the microphones built into the camera. No Media Mod, no extra microphone. This is what the GoPro sounds like using the Media Mod microphone. Hopefully there's less wind noise because of the windshield on it, and I hope there's less traffic noise because of the directionality of it. The traffic right now is behind the camera and in front of me. And now the traffic is behind me and in the direction the microphone is pointing. So hopefully that's worse, I guess? Let me switch back. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now it's just me talking with the traffic behind the camera and behind the microphone. So that's basically it. The plastic feels a little cheap for the price. It's not bad, but I feel like it could have been a little thicker. Does everyone need this? Probably not. I think the microphones on the Hero 9 are really good. If you're just using this for your social media, casual videos and so forth, it's probably fine. If you need to do videos where people need to understand you, or you're in environments where the microphones on the camera itself might get overwhelmed, then yeah, it's great. If you want to mount a light, which is certainly useful in a lot of situations, this is kind of the only way to do it. So the light is not part of the media mod, it's separate. It does come with this diffuser, which is nice. You can see the LEDs. Obviously it does get quite bright. I like the size of it. I feel like, again, it's a little bit expensive for what you get, but it's small. It does fit the overall aesthetic well. You could probably buy something less expensive that would still work with the Hero 9, and because these are standard cold shoe mounts, so really any LED light is going to work on here. I do like this piece. Again, this is not specifically part of the media mod, but if you ever need to plug in your camera, let's say for a really long time lapse or something, this is super handy. I think it's only 20 bucks. So that's actually pretty good. And that's about it. That's the media mod. I've done a little bit of a longer review over on Forbes. I'll put the link below. And otherwise, thanks for watching. And hit that like and subscribe button. Everybody says that, but it does really help. This is a little bit of a different video than I would normally do. I've done kind of more voiceover stuff. This is my first time doing everything directly on camera, and as you've probably noticed, I keep looking at the screen. I'm needing to learn that, not to do that as much. But anyway, let me know what you think, and give me any thoughts in the comments, and that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching.